a thumbs up, share. Hi all, welcome you all to the new session of Gyan Deepam. In this session, I am going to present you what are all the things we can learn in G Suite account. As a teacher, how can we manage our classroom to create new accounts for our students? How can we do all those things? In addition to that, which are all the new features added to your G Suite account? These are all the things in today's agenda. Okay, so let me sign in my Google Suite account. After that, let me show you how can we add or how can we create the G Suite account for our students. Okay. So that is very simple. So if your admin provided you that user management role, then you will be getting that admin console. Sign in your Gmail account. Then from the 9 dots you can see that admin option. From there, when you click on that, you can see this one, and in this window you can add your users one by one, your students one by one. There are two methods to add students. One is one by one, we can add a new user, like that way one by one we can add the students. Otherwise, if you are having a large file consisting of many student details, we have to use bulk upload of data. Okay. So here, which are all the details asked, we have to type all those things for that, and which is the required mail ID, that also we can type here, and you have to mention your Gmail ID, that is compulsory. Then after that you have to give your phone number here, give your phone number of your student. Then there are two options for password. You can type the password, or system itself will automatically generate a password. That is our option. Which one is preferable for you, you can do it. Okay, so after that you can click on add new user. Okay, add new user button. Then you will be able to see that user is added to your this one. I forgot to tell you one more thing. In the left button you can see that different organization unit are there, teachers, students and all, and here after admin, student organization is there. Under that you have to add. So you have to make sure that you are adding the students under student organization unit. Okay, so how I'm telling you how to attach that bulk upload data. So for that, as we have already seen that to download a CSV file, we have to download, then it will be looking like this, like an Excel file. There are so many fields mentioned in this file, but there is no need to fill all those columns, but some fields are essential, then only the file will be uploaded successfully. For that you have to type first name, last name, password required, then email required. Email required means we have to type the email at a domain. For example, test at what is your domain. If it is trial.com, like that way you can add that this one email ID, phone number and recovery email address. All those things you have to do. Like this you can spread all the details. Password also you can give, and after that what you have to do is you have to save. While saving the Excel file, don't forget to save in CSV format. That is very, very important. Okay, very, very important. Which one? You have to save your CSV file, Excel file in CSV format. Then only our file will be uploaded. Okay, so I'm just showing which are all the fields in detail, then only it will be clear to you. So here you can see that first name, last name, email address required, which is email address we need to assign from the school to the student, that you can write. And organization unit, if it is student, you have to type student recovery email. You have to write the reference mail ID which is given by the student or teacher. And there are so many fields are there, but you have to fill mobile phone, that you have to write correct mobile number here. And while you are typing that organization unit, you can see that org unit, there you have to put a forward slash before typing that organization unit. Then carefully you can type all those things. Okay, then once you assign that email address, that will be there for the students. So please take care while typing the G Suite mail ID for the students. At domain.com means under which domain you registered G Suite account, you have to write that domain. Under that domain you have to type the first and last name will be the first part of this mail ID, and after at part you have to add your domain address, then it will be okay. Then after that what you have to do is you have to save your file. Then please choose CSV format. Okay, CSV format here, then it will be okay for you. So how to upload the file, I'll show you just now. You can see in this box, you can click on attach file. Click on attach file, then browse button will be there. From the system you can choose your file for that, then click on upload. Then the user's details will be successfully uploaded to your G Suite.